Hey guys, I'm at FanX, Salt Lake City, and I can't wait to meet you guys. I love these things because I get to hang out, chat with you. And this is, I haven't seen this before. This is the green room. So we're in the green room right now. We just got here. These are some things they have available in the green room. IV infusions, vitamin injections. How does it? You just go in there in between signs. I don't know how that was. Puppy cuddles, red light therapy. Let's go check. This is crazy. It just started. I feel like we're one of the first ones here.
You and Henry Winkler.
That's the point.
I really understand.
This food that I'm eating right now at the Comic-Con is okay, but nothing compares to your delicious salads that you make on Instagram.
This was not planned. We were
Bravo.
talking about this, and I'm like, Cedric, I'm like, we need to share this with people.
She's making me reenact compliments.
I actually am. All right, I can't wait to meet you guys. Are you ready to get started? Yeah, let's do it. Oh, I'm over here. I'm still new to these things. I'm learning. I'm so happy. Thank you so much for being here. Oh my gosh, my kids are gonna love these. We could walk, you know. So, I mean, I could walk back to the green room, but we're running late on time because I have to go to a panel right now. So we are taking a golf cart backstage. Because why not, you know? Why not? So yeah, the convention's that way. But it's cool because you can see everyone's names on the back. There's Sean Astin. We're going to a panel right now. Oh my gosh. Oh, back into darkness. I can breathe. Oh, whoa, this is a whole other world over there. Hi. It's awesome. I mean, I love just seeing all the things people are dressed up as. Now we're backstage with all the electrical equipment. You guys are riding with me. This is the backstage tour. Day one was awesome. I thought it went really well. It blows me away every time when, just to see how much these characters impinge on people's lives. It's awesome. It's everything. It means everything to me. Hey guys, it's day 2 of FanX in Salt Lake City. Let's get to signing. I can't wait to meet you guys. Yesterday was awesome. It was so fun. All right, we're getting started. Welcome back to Utah. Oh my gosh, it's all good. It's all good. No, it was great. What's going on here? Those are big chewies. There's a lot of cool stuff in here. Okay, so that's a wrap on FanX Salt Lake City. It was so awesome meeting you guys, and I'll see you guys in Rhode Island in November.